Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best water leak detectors available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Moen 924 Flow Smart Water Leak Detector. The best water leak detector overall. If you're not ready to commit to a water shutoff system, the Flume by Moen Smart Water Detector is a good place to start. This $49 device senses leaks, temperature, and humidity, and can emit an 85 decibel alarm when it detects water. It also connects to the Flume by Moen app, where you can link it with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home systems. This device comes with the main unit as well as a 4-foot cable, so you can mount it on the wall and not worry about it getting washed away if you get a flood. And when you want to step up to a system that can also shut off your water, you can link it to the Flume by Moen shutoff valve. Reasons to buy: dual sensors, loud alarm, works with shutoff valve. Reasons to avoid: cannot shut off water. Number 2. Moen 901 Flume by Moen 3/4-inch Smart Water Shutoff. A smart water leak detector and shutoff valve with extended insurance coverage. The Flume by Moen monitors your water flow and can automatically shut off your water if it detects a major leak. In addition, the Flume checks your water pressure and temperature, and its app shows you how much water you're using per day. It also tells you what's using water, and it runs a daily test to determine if there's a water leak. All users now get an insurance verification letter, as well as the ability to see your water usage by fixture. If you opt for the Flume Protect service, $5/month, you can get monitoring and live chat support. Flume Protect will also cover the cost of your deductible, up to $5,000 if there's water damage. The company also increased the length of its warranty to 3 years. Customers can purchase an optional battery backup, $249, which will provide up to 3 days of protection if power gets shut off. Reasons to buy: will cover insurance deductible with subscription. Compatible with 3/4, 1-inch, and 1.25-inch water lines. Can shut off water. Reasons to avoid: requires subscription to use all features. Requires professional installation. Number 3. Resideo RCHW3610W Phyn 1001/N Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector. This water leak detector works with Alexa. Many pipes will burst when the water trapped inside them freezes and expands. That's why, in addition to water leaks, this Resideo, a division of Honeywell sensor, can also detect temperature changes and humidity and send you an alert when things get too cold. The Lyric sensor runs on 2 AA batteries, which are rated to last up to 3 years. It includes a 4-foot cable, the entire length of which can detect leaks. When the sensor detects a leak, it sends an alert to your phone and emits a 100 dB alarm. It also connects directly to your Wi-Fi, no hub needed. Resideo's products also work with a wide range of smart home systems. Reasons to buy: works with Alexa, built-in alarm, detects temperature changes. Reasons to avoid: cannot shut off water. Number 4. finsmart Water Assistant. This water leak detector analyzes your water use. For those whom the Phyn Plus Smart Water Assistant Plus shutoff valve is too expensive, the finsmart Water Assistant could be the answer. This device, which costs less than half the price, does everything the Phyn Plus does, except for having an automatic shutoff valve. Like the Phyn Plus, the Phyn senses the water pressure in your home, can detect when there's a drop in pressure, and using algorithms, can let you know if it's being caused by a burst pipe or just a leaky toilet. Because it doesn't include a shutoff valve, the Phyn can be easily installed by a homeowner under any sink. The one caveat is that you'll also need a power source nearby. But the Phyn could save you money over the long haul, even if you don't have a major catastrophe. Reasons to buy: easy to self-install, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Comprehensive analysis of water use. Reasons to avoid: can shut off water. Number 5. Flume II Smart Home Water Monitor and Water Leak Detector. The Flume II Smart Home Water Monitor and Water Leak Detector straps around water line, no plumber necessary, and connects to a Wi-Fi bridge to tell you based on the water flow and pressure if there's a leak somewhere in your home. More than that, the Flume II can also analyze your water usage, and if you subscribe to Flume Insight, $49.99 last year and give you more granular data on specific appliances and faucets and help you create daily and weekly budgets for water consumption. It can also provide indoor vs. outdoor water use, let you set up custom alerts, and gives you 15% off leak repair services from Enki. Reasons to buy. Self-installation. Provides leak and water consumption data. Reasons to avoid. Can't shut off water automatically. Subscription needed for advanced features.